This quick tip will be about the PowerPoint outline view. So when you open up a PowerPoint, this is typically how it will look by default. You'll see your slides here on the left and your um, current slide in the center. If you go down to these settings at the bottom and you click this one, it's actually the one that you've already selected. If you click on that, it'll create this outline view here on the left. One thing that's nice about Outline View is it will show you the titles of each of your slides. So if you are in Panorama and you're getting a lot of notifications that your slides don't have titles, this is where you can check proactively to see whether or not those slides have titles. And so I can see that these slides do have titles. If you want to change any of the titles or add titles, this is where you can do that pretty easily. And so, for example, if I change this one, I can say Introduction to. You can see that it also changes on the slide. And what's more, students can actually print this outline. So in this case, if they go to the print settings, they can go ahead and click outline and they will get an outline um, view that they can print off. Now, whether or not this is useful to students is up to them, but this might be something you consider sharing with them if you think they might find that useful. So have a fun time exploring the PowerPoint outline view.